Well, hello. It's Friday, April 22nd. I believe it's day 55. I am walking down the road from the hostel I stayed at last night, Four Pines Hostel. There was a good group there last night, probably about 6 or 8 of us there. Our host took us into just a short drive down the road to the grocery where we could get pizza and resupply and whatever else we wanted. So the hostel's maybe about a half a mile from the trail, so I'm just walking down here and I'll be hitting the trail soon. Today I'll be hitting Mcafee Knob. It'll be 10 miles to hit Mcafee Knob, but pretty excited to see that. That's one of the most picturesque parts of the trail, so I'll see you in a little while. I'm standing at mile 706.8. It's a little bit of a grind getting up this hill. Good thing it's in the morning, so because I checked the local weather for Salem, Virginia, and it looks like it's supposed to go up to 80 degrees today. And here's the view from Mcafee Knob. There's the edge.
I guess that's what I'm getting to.
That was a major Mcafee's moment.
Do you remember the last time we did Mcafee's, Catherine? And I just needed to simply meditate.
Yeah.
This view is from 714.7. This is just down from Mcafee Knob. Well, I don't know how much can get better than Mcafee Knob, but I'm on my way to Tinker Cliffs now. I'm still at least a couple of miles away, I think. I just needed to stop and find a little bit of shade here in these rocks. Excuse me. Yeah, I just needed to stop and get some fluids and get a little snack. And I'll be on my way. I can't step back any further because that's right behind me here. This is from mile 717.1. Coming up on Tinker Cliffs. Wow, look at that. cool looking. Trail goes under it. Oh no, it doesn't. Turns right there. So this is the third spot of the Triple Crown. We saw the Dragon's Tooth yesterday. We saw Mcafee Knob today, and this is Tinker Cliffs. So here I am standing out on Tinker Cliffs. You can see behind me, that's the edge of the cliff. I don't want to back up anymore, but that's it. This is the view. Saw the Triple Crown in 2 days. And now I got about 1.5 miles to 2 miles till I hit a shelter, which I'm probably going to end up camping there. There's quite a few through hikers headed this way today, and it's fine. I'd rather get in my tent anyway. Tonight it's going to be gorgeous. Was supposed to go up to about 80 degrees today, and it feels like it. I've got a little bit of water left, and I'm going to drink that because everything from here is downhill. So I'll see you when I get to camp. Yeah, we're still up at Tinker Cliffs. There's several of these like rock out ledges that crop out from the side hill here. It's gorgeous. All right, see you at camp this time. So this is the end of day 55, April the 22nd. It's a Friday, and I went from Four Pines Hostel to Lambert's Meadow Shelter. That's where I'm camping right now. The shelter's full. There's about 8 tents out here. Quite a few people. So yeah, the far out says I did about 16.5 miles today. Got to see both Mcafee Knob and Tinker Cliffs, and yesterday the Dragon's Tooth. So I saw all 3 of the Triple Crown of Virginia. That's pretty cool. I think Mcafee Knob was just astounding. I mean, it's just so beautiful. I sat up there and had my lunch, and I could like spend all day there. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love to come back again to see that. There is a parking area, but it's about a 4-mile hike up to see it. But it's worth it. It really is. It's really cool. So tomorrow I have a short day again. I have about 9.5 miles to US 220, where Sue is meeting me. It's just outside of, I think, Daleville, Virginia. So I will see you in the morning. Good night. Oh, and we got to see those things today. And today is Earth Day. Isn't that cool? It just so happens got to see 2 of the 3 crowns of Virginia. So on Earth Day. Alrighty. Bye-bye.